What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. First of all, as you can see, I've got a lacquer haircut and beard trim. Today I've got an awesome video for you guys. I'm going to show you guys how to do your own short shift conversion on your Citi Golf. It also works for Golf 2 and 3s and the earlier Polos. Some parts might just look different, but it's all the same principle. Let's get straight into it and I'll show you step by step. Alright, so what we're going to need is a flat screwdriver. We need a 13 spanner, which is over here. Sorry, my tools are quite a mess at the moment. That's all you actually really need for now. So we've got our flat screwdriver, as you can see there, 13 spanner. I'm not sure if you can see exactly, but over there is a pin that you need to pull out. The flat screwdriver is to pop that back clip off at the back that sits on that ball joint, and then the 13 spanner is to take a nut off at the back of the shaft, this main selector shaft here. So I'm quickly going to set you guys down and let's get to it. Alright, so as you can see here, I'm just going to pull this clip out. This should allow you to pop this rod out, keep this clip safe. You don't want to lose that. Then I'm going to take my screwdriver to pop this back clip off. Alright, so I'm just going to take my screwdriver and pop this bottom clip off of the ball. That now opens up a split in that ball joint there. And then just pull up and it will pop straight off. So now there's nothing connected to the shifter linkage there at the end. So we're going to take our 13 screwdriver. There's just a nut on the end and you'll rotate it so now it's actually in gear. Doesn't make a difference. Just helps us to lock it and then just start untightening it. We'll go in a clockwise direction for this case. So once it's loose and you can turn it with your hands, you want to push this slightly and it should pop into neutral. You then want to take the nut off at the back, which you should be able to do now with your fingers, as you can see there. That's what we're dealing with. Keep that safe. Then this is on spline, so lining it back shouldn't be an issue. You just want to wiggle it and push back slightly and it should pop straight off. Yeah, there we go. You can see it just sits on those splines. That's where the rod goes through, and that's the ball where you pop the plastic union off of it. That's all we need to take for now. As you can see down there, it's now just the shaft with the splines and the threaded bit at the back. We don't need anything else from there, so we're just going to take this selector piece with us. So as you can see, so far I've taken the hammer and straightened that out. Now all I need to do is bend this straight up and then we'll already be ready to go. Let's try use the vise for that. almost got it bent the whole way. So all I'm going to do is straighten that out and we'll be good to go. I would say that's quite good. I don't think we need to go any more than that. So all I'm going to do now is measure a line down the center of the steel and then measure the diameter of that hole or even that plastic bush, and then just drill a new hole further down. The further down you go, the shorter the shift is going to be. So you can actually drill 2 more holes to then have more adjustment. You can go super short, medium, and then factory. This does put a bit more wear and tear on your gear linkages, but in my opinion, it's definitely worth it. Okay, so mine's in. I put the bush back in. Everything seems to be good. I did make the hole in here 12 millimeters. I think it should have been 14, but it should make this linkage sit nice and tight. Hopefully it doesn't sit too tight, but I'm going to put it back on the car and let's see what happens.
Every threat. I wanna stay like a silhouette, but I can't do that. No, I can't do
that. Slide straight on. Once I've assembled everything, I'll show you exactly what it looks like. Always be sure to clip your plastic ball joint clip back on properly. that's what we've got at the moment. There's no bush in that top hole, but you could essentially drill another hole and put 2 more bushes in, and you have like a hot swappable linkage selection of what kind of throw you want. I forgot to take a before and after video of what it was like, but I'm sure I've got some video somewhere on my computer of this throw. So it doesn't affect side to side as much, but check how short this is now. First to, I don't know if you guys can see that. Check it. This is insane. It's definitely a mod I recommend. Can get all the gears. Everything is perfect. So if you want to do it yourself, if you need any tips along the way, just let me know. I'm more than happy to help you. Away. Hope you guys really enjoyed the tutorial. I'll try to get together some comparison video clips so you can see the kind of throw difference. If you like this video, hit that like button, smash the subscribe button for more tutorials that I'm going to do in the future on this. I'm sure everybody could learn something from it. Have a good one, guys. You got to stay tuned for the next one. Peace.